Hello friends, welcome back to tootscorner.com videos. Is coffee high in histamine? Coffee, cherished for its rich aroma and invigorating flavor, is a staple beverage for many. However, concerns have arisen about its histamine content and its potential impact on health. Let's explore if coffee is high in histamine and what this means for coffee lovers. Understanding histamine. Histamine is a compound produced by the body as part of the immune response and is also found in certain foods. In individuals with histamine intolerance or sensitivity, excessive histamine intake can trigger adverse reactions such as headaches, skin rashes, and digestive issues. Therefore, monitoring histamine levels in foods is essential for managing these conditions. Histamine content in coffee. Coffee does contain histamine, but the levels can vary depending on factors such as bean type, roasting method, and brewing process. While there is limited research specifically on the histamine content of coffee, some studies suggest that certain coffee varieties and processing methods may result in higher histamine levels. However, more research is needed to fully understand the relationship between coffee and histamine intolerance. Potential health implications. For individuals with histamine intolerance or sensitivity, the histamine content in coffee may contribute to symptoms such as headaches, skin flushing, and gastrointestinal discomfort. In such cases, reducing or eliminating coffee consumption may be recommended as part of a histamine-restricted diet to manage symptoms effectively. Balancing enjoyment and health. For most coffee enthusiasts, moderate coffee consumption is unlikely to pose significant issues related to histamine intake. However, those with non-histamine intolerance or sensitivity may benefit from choosing coffee varieties with lower histamine levels or exploring alternative beverages to enjoy. For most people, moderate coffee intake is fine, but those with histamine sensitivity should be cautious and may need alternatives. Consulting a healthcare provider for personalized advice is wise for managing histamine-related issues. Thanks for watching this video. Please like, share and subscribe my channel for more videos.